Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone and Cash App are current and that Apple Pay is already set up. Once done, open Cash App and tap the Cash Card tab. You need an active Cash Card to proceed. If Cash App asks, finish any identity verification steps now so linking will succeed. Then tap the row for your Cash Card and look for the option to add the card to Apple Wallet. This begins the secure transfer between apps. When you tap Add to Apple Wallet, Cash App hands off details to Wallet for secure enrollment. This is why authorization is required. Make sure you follow each on-screen step and authorize with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode when prompted. The Wallet app may ask to verify your billing info or accept terms. Complete those quickly. Once Wallet shows the Cash Card and confirmation appears in Cash App, your card is linked and ready to use with Apple Pay for purchases. To finish, open Wallet and confirm the Cash Card is present and active. Set it as your default for Apple Pay if you prefer. Then test with a small contactless tap or an in-app purchase to ensure funds draw from Cash App. If the card doesn't appear or transactions fail, restart your iPhone, ensure region and device support Apple Pay, and repeat the add to Apple Wallet flow. If issues persist, contact Cash App support, but most problems resolve after restart and reauthorization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.